is ready to listen to anybody. I don't think he's ready to listen to anybody. To be sincere, on my own part, I've given up on him. I've given up on advising him concerning going from one place to another. It's like he just wants to satisfy his ego. So it's like that is what he likes to do best. Just going to places where he's not wanted, to turn himself to object of mockery, to turn himself to object of despise. It is like he really likes it too much when they patch him. But he needs to understand something, that he's not the only one that's now being patched. They are now using him as a point of contact to patch him Baba Mohbad. We are not concerned about him being dragged. We are only concerned about an important personality, Baba Mohbad, that is being attached to him, that he will be also be dragged alongside him. You see, he doesn't care less. But we care more about Baba Mohbad than we do for him. But it's so obvious he doesn't care. He will go to anywhere and he does not even care about the consequences of his actions. All constant someone advice, he has turned them down. And I don't think it's even worth our energy telling him or cautioning him anymore. Let him continue to do whatever he wants to do. I'm personally sick and tired of telling him to do the right thing all over again. Do you understand? So let us leave him. And secondly, I want to say this. This useless iron lady or wooden lady that have become a tank carrier today, I've never believed in that woman for one day. I've said it times with that number, that this useless iron lady and her goons has always been with Wunmi Adebanjo. The only reason why you see that useless iron lady today shouting, Wunmi kill Mohbad, Wunmi kill Mohbad, it was simply because Temi's platform brought out a picture and was conducting obituary for her. If they had not done so, you will not see a wooden lady having that effrontery to confront Wunmi as the killer of Mohbad. So it was like a repressor attack on her side to attack Wunmi because Temi platform attack her. So if they have not attacked her, that wooden lady would have gone on ahead to be asking for Wunmi, how are you doing? Because the first time I met her, that wooden lady, she was asking Wunmi's friends, how was Wunmi doing? That's why Wunmi being the killer of Mohbad for several months. How was Wunmi doing? And she knew Wunmi was the one that killed Mohbad. But she was busy concerned about the well-being of Wunmi. It was only when Temi's platform started dragging her that she now realized, Wunmi, you kill Mohbad, Wunmi, you kill Mohbad. I don't give such a people any kind of respect. I don't give such a people that we only do conditional judgment. They can't stand by the truth. It is only when they are forced to recognize the truth, that's when you see them hearing their voice. I want people that will decide within themselves that I want to fight for justice, irrespective of condition being favorable or unfavorable. She was compelled to fight for justice, not a decision she made out of her own volition. So I don't see her as somebody that anybody should take serious. So what he's doing in Igbo Jagbogoni, because I'll tell you that one thing, Wunmi kill Mohbad. So if she was not forced, Wooden Lady would have joined Temi's platform and support Wunmi, that Wunmi has the right to kill Mohbad and walk free. So such a person, no good thing can come out from her Jerusalem. Secondly, anybody you see submitting his or her prayer to Papa Bingo, Papayano, such a person cannot amount to anything good in justice for Mohbad. I don't know why it's difficult for me to understand Mohbad. Anybody that is constantly submitting his brains or her brains to Paparano, that person can never amount to anything good in justice for Mohbad. The only thing that person can bring to justice for Mohbad is retardedness, backwardness, sluggishness, and disaster. People should get this right. Supreme Iron Lady or useless Iron Lady that cannot challenge Papa Bingo is not the one that is now shouting of, hey, I donated money. That idiot that called herself Wooden Iron Lady was part of Ada Universe gang, if you don't know. Wooden over 1 billion naira. Up to today, the Woody lady has not asked for Ada Rivers to come and do accountability of over $1 billion donated to an bogus account in the name of Justice for Mohbad. Up to today, even the share of the money that I believe was given to our Woody Iron lady, she has not come out to do accountability for it. Or did she want to tell us that she did not collect the money from Ada Universe? Woody Iron lady is a scammer. There's no difference between Woody Iron lady and Yomi Fabiyi. They are both rogues. They are both thieves. Forget about whatever she's trying to do now. She knows what happened. She over 600 and something thousand pounds donated into Ada Universe. And obviously, we have not seen what Ada Universe has done with that money. Ada Universe has not done anything with that money. That money has gone down the drain. Even the Nehimo Run that exposed them, they also use part of that money to buy her to their side. Up to today, Nehimo Run got to their side. The money has disappeared. And yet, Woody Iron lady does not see any justification to ask her boss, Ada Universe, to come and do accountability. Woody Iron lady, and all the Eleri Puku that you put yourself on that platform, you are being challenged today. Go and bring your receipt you used to donate money into Wema Bank with a narration that this money was for Justice for Mohbad, and let us see if you will not be refunded. You know, that was how we challenged that useless light-off. Up to today, light-off has disappeared. Ayé, ó ti rámáyé, láti jọ́ta di challenge here. So we are challenging you too. Ayọ̀dé, Olúkáyọ̀dé, ọmọ Ògùn, go and bring all the receipts, all the evidences that you donated into Wema Bank of Baba Mohbad. Bring out the receipt and let us see if we will not refund you. You guys are all stupid. You guys are just empty. All you have to do is just to talk. The amount of money that you people have taken into your pocket in Justice for Mohbad, only God can be a witness to it. And yet you are not talking about accountability of the money given to you in the name of J4M. You are talking about the money given to Baba Aloba that he has used to get so many things to get his son justice. Don't you see that's a parade of madness? Don't you see? That is a parade of madness and highest level of hypocrisy. That's why I said, I don't trust anything that is coming from those people. I don't trust anything that is coming from those people. That's why I said, on my own part, I will be supporting Maswell with prayers. I will be supporting the other G in prayers. I will never canvass for any active support from anything coming from those idiots. Because cleanliness cannot come from uncleanliness. Corruption cannot come from integrity. The soul of a fruit is having the type of fruit that we emanate from that tree. A good tree cannot give rise to a bad fruit. And a bad tree cannot give rise to a good fruit. Those gang of Woody Iron lady, they cannot do anything meaningful, anything essential to Justice for Mohbad, except they have their interest in it. I will stay at home, I will be watching them. Because those guys, they are useless. They cannot amount to anything. And concerning Berekete, and I'm going to say this again, I've said it in the morning and I'm going to say it again. What is pertinent in this case is DNA and unraveling or corroborating that will make it Mohbad. Any other thing apart from those two things, they are not useful. They are not important. Berekete should dwell on the issues that matter. Any attempt for Berekete to now turn himself into ICP, investigating the financial transaction into GoFundMe account or Wema Bank account or Asset Bank account is a red flag. And I'm still going to say it. Yorùbá sọ pé òrìṣà tó bá lè gbè mí fi mí sílẹ̀ bó ṣe bá mi. Nobody is an hallmark of justice for Mohbad. Nobody can guarantee that without me you cannot get justice. If Brekete cannot channel his energy to areas that matter, I'm saying it and I'm going to be saying it, Baba should leave Brekete alone. And I'm not ashamed to say it, and I will still continue to say it. People have said Baba cannot go to Brekete. Baba has gone there. People have said Baba cannot go to VDM. Baba has gone to VDM. People have said, Oti Babe Jenny, Oti Susa Gabeni, Kole Lobe, Baba Ti Lobe. Baba has fulfilled all righteousness. Baba has crossed the boundary into a promised land. Things they say he could not do, he has done it. Baba does not have anything to prove to anybody again. Even a blind can see that the man wants justice. A deaf can hear that the man wants justice. Even a layman cannot walk to see that this man really wants justice. So if Brekete wants to dwell on the issue of accountability and he wants to leave the issue of how he can help the DNA or how he can help justice for Mohbad, I am saying it. Let Baba leave Brekete and go home. It is not the end of the world. If Brekete want to behave like
vengeance. It is something they can still correct Brekete.
That's what I'm saying.
They
That's what I'm saying.
They can still correct.
Let him be corrected. Yes. However, if he doesn't want to be corrected, my advice is to stand.
They can still correct him.
That's it. Let him face it. Let him protect issues.
Yeah, the reality, yes.
That's it. Not accountability. Baba left Lagos to Abuja not because he wanted to go and do accountability. He left Lagos to Abuja to go and talk about real business of DNA and justice. So Brekete should channel his energy on that and not on accountability, not on statement of account. Don't distract us. They have come to distract Brekete. I want to see how smart Brekete is. And what Brekete will do will determine whether is he smart or he's not smart. And this is what I'm saying, and that is what I will keep saying. Let Brekete be focused on things that matter and not joining those useless idiots that want Baba to fail at all costs. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you so much. Vengeance. Thank you. It's an advice. Yes. Brekete should be told the right thing. Okay? He should focus on the things that matters. What is the real justice? What by Mohbad and the DNA that they wanted to do? Not accountability. Brekete cannot be dancing to the tune of these idiots. Okay? He cannot.
some documentation. I don't understand what is happening here. Now you see what is happening. BT to Losikini. Baba Kuresi, please, you need to stop all this. You are mature, you are old. I know you have sense. I know you have sense. And stop Kini. And there's nothing accused from the beginning. Where you snitch, Kini. You need to stop all this, please. Private account is private. Let Berekete do what he wants to do. Left for me, what's his business? Or what he explained to me, unnecessary to clear things. So he should use it to clear things and let's move on. But if things don't clear tomorrow, is this saying it's not going to help regarding the accounts? That's what mommy. But let's move on. Baba Grace ẹjọ́ àgbàlagbà ní ẹjọ́ ẹ má máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń ṣe ń gbà mí ẹjọ́ tó Ọlọ́run ẹ stop ẹ because tó bá ń bú yín bàbá ló ń bú ẹ̀yin kọ́ ló ń bú bàbá gbogbo question tó ń béèrè yẹn question bàbá ni wọ́n ń bí yín ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ ń dáhùn ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń dáhùn ṣẹ́yìn ní access sí private account bàbá ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń dáhùn ẹjọ́ Baba Grace ẹjọ́ ẹ lọ tẹ́lá ti bàtáyà ẹ lọ sí mi ẹ̀yẹ máa fò kiri ẹjọ́. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
And the mysterious thing in this case is that about this Gracie going there is that they've already recorded what they want. They had the show. They recorded that show already. So they are going to cut what they want and they will keep it. They will cut what they want and they will keep it. They will now be playing. So, when they are not playing it, because nobody wants to hear his or her voice. And they want to use you to drag Baba Mohbad. They really want to use the word of your mouth to drag Baba Mohbad. Indirectly, assuming, see, there's nothing wrong in going to any platform. Any government lost any platform. But in content lost on níbẹ̀, báwo ló ṣe rí? Ṣé ẹ fún wọn ní nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ ni? Àbí nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ lẹ fún wọn? Ṣé ẹ reply wọn according to foolish question tí wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe fi question yẹn gangan tún bèrè question kan dáhùn question yẹn fún ara wọn? You don't know. Ẹ̀dẹ̀mọ̀ tí wọ́n bá gbé wá tó bá ń twist yín tó ń wá ìníyìn ẹ̀mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń change ọ̀rọ̀ fún wọn. You don't know. Ẹ̀mọ̀ ẹ máa fi ṣe bí tìtorí yẹn because of that. Aries studied you. Aries knows you. Ọkàn tó máa jẹ yín tá máa fi finger play yín tá máa fi gba ọ̀rọ̀. He started calling you Baba Gracie. When as people start calling your alias, your AKA brother, káwọn máa sọ pé Baba Gracie. What is Baba Gracie? Gracie is his alias. Káwọn ní Baba Vengeance. Vengeance is his name, money.
You tell me asking
Baba Anti-Ayeshoro.
You remember when Koshi Idiot, when she went to that Babalawo tattoo platform? You know that was how Koshi Idiot was calling him Bodami, Joko Dada. Anytime you see anybody calling you Auntie me, Bodami, just know that what the party again. I'm telling you. I need to go for talk at the day penny, Bodami, Auntie me, Daddy me, over party again. That's Jimmy. That's what they use. By that they are just complimenting you unnecessarily. When they finish here. So maybe Kuresi don't understand that thing. And they are known enemy. They just started calling you Bodami.
Kuresi did not understand. Aries was using that to finger Kuresi's brain. Even when I was trying to check on Kuresi, they muted me because they are extracting information from Kuresi lower. Because they don't want me to distract him. tí mo bá ti distract àdákẹ́, so instead they blocked me. They blocked me. Láì ṣe pé mo bú anybody ń bẹ̀ o, they blocked me. You see? Wọ́n mú ẹ̀yìn yín, wọ́n mú àwọn kan fi kíní ro etí yín lásán, ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n kàn fi cotton bud lásán, wọ́n fi ro etí yín, sọ̀rọ̀. I don't like it, honestly. Kì í ṣe pé you are not intelligent, you are intelligent, but mo bọ́ ṣe stop. So that is it. Ayé nírọ̀mọ́ ẹ̀ka lẹ́mà. Ọba rọ tẹ̀wá mi. Ọba rọ. Please can you hear me?
Mọ́mí kan fi ìkọ́jú mo kàn fẹ́ sọ òun ní ọ̀rọ̀ bíntì láyé tó tẹ̀lé bàbá lọ Àbújá ó léwu ní òjẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn.
Confirm. Ọbarọ, we have not confirmed that. We have not confirmed that. Àti confirm ẹ̀ bọ̀ a kàn ń speculate ni. Ìpele kìí ṣe pé bí títẹ̀lé yín lọ, a kàn ṣì ń speculate ni. So it's not a confirmed information. Wọ́n ṣe confirm wọ́n ṣe ti bí mo bí Kùrẹ́sì said no. Kùrẹ́sì said no. No, kókókó là ń rọ́ fagitì. Nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe nìyẹn. Kókókó là ń rọ́ fagitì. Ipe a gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́. So kì í ṣe confirmed information pé Bíntí ó tẹ̀lé wọn. No. A kàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ sílẹ̀ ní kó má di pé bóyá a gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé mi ò gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ o. In case tí mo bá lọ gbọ́ pẹ́rẹ́ pé Bíntí ó tẹ̀lé wọn rìn káàkiri. A ti lọ lè lórí ìkànnì. Nǹkan so kò ń ṣe confirmed information. Thank you everybody. Mọ́mi ayé nírọ̀mọ́ àbí ayé nírọ̀mọ́ ṣé wàá bẹ̀?
Mọ́mí kan fi ẹ̀ máa nìbọn tó wà. Ẹ má bínú ìyá rẹ̀. Charity Bíntì yẹn. Mọ́mí ẹ má bínú mà. Charity Bíntì yẹn. Ìyọ́dà bá yóò tẹ̀lé bàbá ní ìsìnkú lọ. It's part of the game. Ìgbé ọtí bàbá àti gbogbo wọ́n ti lọ sílẹ̀. Babaláwo kan ti lọ before. Wọ́n mọ tí wọ́n ṣe ti lọ parí iṣẹ́ yẹn. Ọ̀pọ̀tì lọ sí jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ statement account kan ló bá lọ. Kò sí pé báyọ̀ tẹ̀lé bàbá lọ ìsọ̀kọ yẹn. Ọ̀la fún mi òun gan ọwọ́ òun wọ́n mọ ìdí. Ṣé ọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ àwọn náà máa ń bá bàbá sọ̀rọ̀. Bàbá sọ fún àwọn pé bàbá ṣe báyìí ké. So wọ́n ti lọ kú kọ́ kíní yẹn sílẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ statement yẹn àtàwọn tó ń pè lórí accountability. Thank you. Ẹ ṣe máa ẹ ṣe ìyá mi.
Okay. Mr. Tazan ni isn't Bíntí on Baba's side.
Which side?
Ẹ máa gbọ́ná. Ẹ kalẹ́ mà. Ẹ máa gbọ́ná. Ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé Bíntí wàá máa wò mí sí wọ́n gbá máa wò mí kò stable. You are not stable ni kò stable tó bá ti stable ó ṣòro bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ayé ni rọ́mọ ẹ̀kọ́ sí i.
Ẹ kalẹ́ o everybody, good evening o all protocols observed. Ẹ kalẹ́ ẹ kó yànjú gbogbo yín o. Ẹ kó ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Ọlọ́run á san gbogbo wa lẹ́san rí. It is well. Ẹ jọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ accountability mo ti sọ lórí ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ pé bàbá ò gbọ́dọ̀ release personal account wọn. And then
ṣé accountability rẹ pé níbi tí là ń sọ.
síta ṣé bó ní ọmọ àkáǹtì ṣé bó ní annually lẹ́yìn àkáǹtì gbé síta káàdì náà àbó tí fáìlì àkáǹtì. Báyìí 2024 àwa náà fẹ́ rí owó wa ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ọ́dítọ̀ ní àkáǹtì fún tiẹ̀ bank statement alọ́balẹ̀ ní kí wọ́n máa mú wá lórí bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀. Á gba bank statement gbogbo yín. Gbogbo yín àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ tó àti gbogbo fún gbogbo yín claim bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ẹlẹ́ṣiṣẹ́ dé afẹ́rẹ́ evidence ẹ̀. Ẹ ní máa béèrè evidence lọ́wọ́ Yomi nìkan evidence presidency. Nígbà tí Yomi tàlẹ́ ní pé gbé evidence petition yín wá ṣé àmì ọ̀gá ẹ̀ tí wọ́n claim bẹ́ẹ̀ náà competition. Ṣé àpò ẹ̀rọ mi sọ nílẹ̀ yìí ìpadà bẹ́ẹ̀ competition kankan. All this while you have been claiming that you have petition o. Báwo ni petition o? They are in fact their own petition, they are working on it, this and that, all of a sudden wọ́n dẹ̀ láwọn ò ní petition wọn. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ gbà wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé torí bá mi ò tí ì fẹ́ ṣaláyé àti àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ̀ ń pa irọ́ tó lè kó ìdílé tẹ̀ ń pa ẹ̀yin underground tẹ́lẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn mi ò tí ì wá fẹ́ ṣe analysis yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń parọ́ ojúkorojú tẹ̀ kàn ń wo movement Yomi ẹ̀ kàn ń wo movement Yomi torí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé yẹn o àwọn èèyàn àti mọ̀ pé a ti mú lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin wá fẹ́ overtake ẹ̀ iṣẹ́ Yomi lẹ fẹ́ overtake o ẹ wá claim pé ẹ wà underground o Yomi nìkan ó sì lọ gbé ó gbé Dàmọ́lá ẹ̀yin bíi márùn-ún spending nìkan lẹ rí gbé ẹ̀ pé mẹ́fà láàrin ara yín ẹ tún ní WhatsApp group Yomi ń gbá wa lójú straight ni kò hide tiẹ̀ àṣẹ paramọ́lẹ̀ ni.
Ọyẹ tí wọ́n dá láàrin wọn wọ́n ní 20 million. Wọ́n ní 20 million. Ó lè má ṣe 20 million.
Ibo ni
gbogbo àwọn tó ń dáwọ́ yẹn mo lè kà wọ́n síta gan sẹ̀.
Kí wọ́n ṣe kankan lọ́dà dáàdì ni wọ́n ti láwọn bọ́ọ̀dù mọ̀dà kan náà táwọn náà tó lọ tú ẹrù wọn kalẹ̀ síwájú ẹ̀. Àwọn tó ń dúró ẹ ti donate $200 ni wọ́n á sunkún. Ṣáwọn yẹn náà àwọn yẹn rálẹ̀ àwọn yẹn ní láàrin ni. Irọ́ náà ń pa ẹnu lásán ẹnu ìjọ tó jáde kí náà ní ká ṣe. Wọ́n ní ká dákẹ́ ká má sọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́pàá mọ́. Wọ́n ní ká dákẹ́ ká má ṣe kinní mọ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ kí Maxwell náà dákẹ́ fún wọn kọ́ wa overtake. They want to shut everything down.
Mr. Ishaq, wọ́n ti wà stopped. Wọ́n ò lè lọ sókè, wọ́n ò lọ síwájú, wọ́n ò lọ sẹ́yìn àwọn underground. They can't do anything. Wọ́n ti wà stopped. Wọ́n ò ṣe kankan mọ́. Ọlọ́pàá ti pa wọ́n wọn. Ọlọ́pàá ti gbà wọ́n nù. Wọ́n náà ti throw wọn out. Ọlọ́pàá ti pa wọ́n wọn ti throw wọn out. Wọ́n ṣe wà ní wọ́n ti wà redundant. They are now redundant. Wọ́n ti gba owó lọ́wọ́ wọn, wọn ò ṣe anything. Wọ́n ti lé wọn sípò. Mr. Ishaq kò
máṣọ ẹ̀yẹ ṣẹ́rí tí underground abẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ bá wo sísítẹ́ẹ̀mù military ṣe rán ní UK ti UK lè bímọ ní tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n ṣẹ́rí tí gbogbo wọn ṣe máṣọ ẹ̀ wọ́n ti kó kíní àwọn kan ti epo àti àlìkámà ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tí o ti máṣọ ẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n ti dàrú tó underground yẹn náà wá lókè káwọn kò máa underground bẹ́ẹ̀ next one ọ̀gbun ilẹ̀ bí mo ti máa gbé ọ̀gbun ilẹ̀ lọ́hùn tó ju underground lọ ẹ ṣe bá mi ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ.
Maxwell ò gbọ́dọ̀ wọlé o because irú àwọn ilé Maxwell máa wá já irú àwọn tó pọ̀ nù wọn kan they are afraid you can see somebody like.
yes àdájú jack ẹ jẹ́ ká ogun ọ̀nà ọlọ́run á gbà fún wa olùdó ìṣà yìí please méjì ẹ ṣe sẹ́yìn fast fast Maxwell gbọ́dọ̀ join this movement they are afraid of it.
Afraid of him. Yes. It's obvious, and that's why they are stylishly, they are working toward. They want to give it an impression because Maxwell want to start with sensitization. That's why they are saying, oh, everything. The police that need to share that joy. We said they are not working. Now they are working. Everybody should just calm down. We are not calming down. You can imagine Lukumano Bosimano telling us that Dr. Uwom Eze, the whole president of African Society of Forensic Medicine, is somebody that is the man works at UI. He's a consultant in UI. He's a company. Ṣé lókùn tí ẹ̀rọ gbọ́dọ̀ ẹni wá ni? Bá àti ẹ̀ Spain. Spain ló lè tún fi jẹ wá nísìn. Spain ní Barisa àti Kọ̀lìntì wà táwọn òde débẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ní Nàìjíríà yìí, o ò lè parọ́ fún alúpọ̀. Gbogbo excuse irọ́ òyìnbó àrùn mú pé tẹ̀ ń gbá kiri yẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dé ọ̀dọ̀ Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ lọ́la ẹ máa jẹ́ gbá bọ̀bẹ̀. Kò sí tẹ́ máa bá bọ̀bẹ̀. So Wema Bank ilẹ̀ tó kówó sí nìsín. Èló lẹ wá kó síbẹ̀. Ó ní even dey transfer money from until evidence anything. So you have access to Baba Mohbad's account and you know how money is transferred. Wèrè tútù olóbùkù ẹrú kúdí wèrè náà fẹ́ dá sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé bó ti wọlé lọ látijọ́ tó ti kú fínfín tí ò bá ṣe wù mí tó fi presidency pé gbogbo yín jáde ẹni dé èèyàn láyé thank you all ẹ ṣé gan.
Good evening, now the comment section. Good evening, ma. Good evening, Sazo. Mọ̀mí Kọ́fẹ́ mi ò really mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ mo wà bí ṣẹlẹ̀ ní mi ìwé program Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ yẹn. But due to nǹkan táwọn èèyàn sọ ń sìn, Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ ti compromise. Ó ti compromise. Because number one ní pé.
No, lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, we can't say that. We can't say that. We can't say that because Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ to me, Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ fẹ́ clear doubt àwọn èèyàn. Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ has not compromised. Ó fẹ́ clear doubt àwọn èèyàn for in that àwọn ti bí wọ́n ti hijack ẹ̀ because wọ́n máa ń wá little opportunity ni. Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ has never compromised but he wanted to prove Baba, he wanted to prove them wrong. But these people are now, they've now taken that little opportunity to want to hijack it. Àwa làwọn ò ní gbà. Nígbà kí Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ kí wọ́n jẹ́ kán hijack mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́. So kò bóyá kí news wáyé lẹ́nu àwọn òṣèlú dáadáa.
Let me break it down for you.
Yeah, go with God. You say, but he doesn't want anyone to mention Wumi's name. No, sure, let me tell you,
there's nothing wrong with that.
He's in Nigeria. Let me tell you, he's in Nigeria. Ó dẹ̀ ṣe parí problem kan tán. Gbogbo tó fi dì pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. So he wants to be diplomatic.
Mommy Comfy, Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ has to be neutral. It's a platform that is neutral. Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ does can we have your bank statement? Bring it. Ṣé àwọn pé tí inú àwọn wèrè máa ń dùn sí nìyẹn? Ẹ pé wèrè lọ́kọ ìyàwó. The same people said Baba can never go to Berekete. The same people said if he goes to Berekete, ibẹ̀ ni justice wà. Baba tẹ ní kò lè dé Berekete. Berekete tẹ níbẹ̀ ni justice wà. Baba wá dé Berekete. Ẹ wá sọ̀rọ̀ justice mọ́. Baba sọ fún ìlànà wípé òun rẹ̀ jẹ́. Òun dẹ̀ sọ fọlọ́pàá níjọ́ tó ń lọ report. Discuss yẹn mọ́. Ètò wa take attention yìí ni wípé ẹ fẹ́ kó wá ṣe accountability. It means that to them accountability is now justice. Now, if Baba has printed his bank statement and has given it to Berekete, they are aware of that. Oh, they are not saying it's not access. It is Wema Bank, and they are aware that money was transferred from Wema Bank, from Access Bank to Wema Bank. Ṣé bá máa rí inú statement? Ṣé bá máa rí bó ṣe transfer ẹ̀? Ṣé bí statement ti wà lẹ̀? Lẹ́yìn yẹn, Baba has no personal account to give to anybody. And Berekete saying that don't mention Wunmi. Yes, don't mention Wunmi. We are not accusing anybody yet. So that Wunmi too can go to that platform and give Berekete mobile phone. But Wunmi can even get there and say, oh, if Berekete asks, do you want forensic? Nobody has been able to face Wunmi ti lọ ṣe interview. So wọ́n bí èkó tó fẹ́ forensic lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan wá síbẹ̀, kan wá bí ìlọ́wọ́ Wunmi náà wá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Tó bá ti ń bú Wunmi bẹ́ẹ̀, ìdẹ́ sọ ni pé kó má wá. Baba will not go there and accuse. Baba will only go there and present the case and mention 15 people in the house. 15 people in the house. Ṣàkóso Wunmi mo dá sígbà mo ní 15 people in the house. 16 including Liam. Ṣé mo dárúkọ anybody list? Mo dárúkọ Liam. Okay. But 16 people in the house. You can do that. That covers everybody.